Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox on Windows 11. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian, and composed mostly of free and open source software. To start the installation, we need to download VirtualBox and ISO file of Ubuntu. So, you can download VirtualBox from here. And you can download Ubuntu ISO file from its official site. There are basically two versions, one is LTS which means long-term support, and other one is beta of future version, which is unstable. If you want to look around Ubuntu then you can choose any version, but for official work and day-to-day tasks choose LTS. Now, we have to install the VirtualBox. It's a simple task. After opening the VirtualBox, select the option, New. We are installing Ubuntu, so name it, and VirtualBox is smart enough to display its type and architecture. Now, you have to allocate memory for Ubuntu. You can allocate up to the green mark to be on safer side. Leave it default as it is. Choose the first option and leave it as it is. Now, you have to allocate virtual hard drive size for Ubuntu. You can allocate it as per your need, but I recommend you to allocate at least 25 GB. Basic setup is done, but don't click on Start button. Now, we have to modify some settings. Click on General and go to Advanced, make the both settings bidirectional. It enables you to copy files in folder between host machine and Ubuntu. Click on System. You can also allocate memory from here, which we have already done few moments ago. Now choose Processor. You can allocate CPU from here, place it up to the green mark to be on safer side. Choose Storage, and attach the ISO file of Ubuntu here. And we are all done. Leave other settings as default. You can change it as per need, later on. Now, click on Start button. Choose your language, and click on Install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard layout. If you have good internet connection, and want every components to install, then choose these options. Or, if you want a quick installation with minimal components then choose minimal installation. We are on VirtualBox so, erasing disk means the virtual disk of 25 GB, which we had created moments ago. Now, select your time zone. Set up username and passwords. If you choose minimal installation, then it won't take much time to install, but if you choose normal installation with updates then it will take some time. When you try to switch to full screen, or other resolution, then it won't work. For this you have to install a tool and update your system. At first open the terminal, and you have to type a command which will be in the description box. It will take some time, depending on your internet speed. Now close the terminal, and shut down Ubuntu system. Now click on Settings, and go to Storage. And detach the ISO file of Ubuntu from the VirtualBox system. Now, start the system again. Now, click on Devices and choose the last option. It will take few minutes. After this, power off the system, and again start it. Now you can see, it is working. You can set Ubuntu to any resolution. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me. See you on next video.